What's up, guys? Welcome to our new video. This video is about the best bathroom power scrubbers. After deep research, we list the best bathroom power scrubbers for your needs and budgets. In this video, we will review 5 bathroom power scrubbers. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We mention all the products linked in the description below. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the Thane Electric Bathroom Power Scrubber. This Thane Electric Restroom Power Scrubber can quickly clean up the large surface in one go, consisting of windows and floorings, thanks to extra large brush heads and a successfully developed motor that spins at 600 RPM, the fastest and most powerful engine to be found on this list. We likewise loved the included accessories, which include microfiber pads for cleaning floorings and the aforementioned large brush heads for tubs, windows, and other locations. This is also a cordless scrubber, so it can be utilized anywhere without the inconvenience of dreading cables. The electric motor also makes this an excellent industrial power scrubber. Though the effective engine succeeded at removing dust, cement, and associated crud, it does feature a mild drawback, as it demands a lot from the rechargeable battery. Therefore, you'll get around half an hour of use out of a solitary cost. Our number 4 pick is the Revoke Clean 4-Piece Bathroom Power Scrubber Kit. This Revoke Clean 4-Piece Washroom Power Scrubber Kit is a budget-friendly collection of brush heads that are durably made from stainless steel and nylon, among other excellent quality materials, and are entirely water-resistant for straightforward cleansing after usage. We likewise enjoy the extensive range of dimensions and stiffness options, making this package ideal for many restroom cleaning jobs, from flat surface areas to hard-to-reach edges. It should be kept in mind, nevertheless, that this is a collection of 4 brush heads and also does not feature a drill, though each head conveniently connects to typical household drills. Furthermore, there is currently no other way to buy replacement heads individually, and it ought to be one break down the line. You'll need the best bathroom cleaner on hand for the rest of your restroom cleansing needs. Our number 3 pick is the Rubbermaid Reveal Bathroom Power Scrubber. This Rubbermaid Reveal Restroom Power Scrubber is the perfect product for cleansing the corners of bathtubs, tap elements, drain areas, and other hard-to-reach locations, thanks to the incorporation of a small 1/2-inch brush head as well as an effective electric motor that rotates at more than 60 times per second. We also loved the light and cordless layout with the grasp, as it weighs simply 9 ounces, making it terrific for one-handed use. Though this is a cordless scrubber, it does not feature a built-in rechargeable battery, requiring 8 batteries to function, though it does feature 4 batteries to obtain started. Additionally, this version ships with 1 cleansing head, though different sized charges are readily available for acquisition. For your general cleaning requirements, think about some of the best cleansing towels to contribute to your arsenal. You can utilize these cleansing products to clean the gunk off the most effective bathroom faucets conveniently. Our number 2 pick is the Holic 8-Piece Bathroom Power Scrubber Brush Attachment Kit. This Holic 8-item washroom power scrubber brush attachment package ships with 8 individual brush add-ons, readily available in various stiffness choices and dimension choices to suit a wide variety of jobs throughout the entire bathroom, with extra functionality in the kitchen area and other places throughout the house. The plan consists of 2 scouring pads, 2 for different kitchen area tasks. We discovered that these brush heads quickly eliminated mold and mildew, grout, and dirt, thanks to being made with ultra-durable and high-quality elements such as stainless steel and polypropylene plastic. It needs to be noted, nonetheless, this is only a brush accessory package and does not include a natural power scrubber. It attaches to any regular family drill, so you ought to be good to go even with the most fundamental exercise. For your cooking area cleaning requirements, get the best cooktop cleaner too. Our number 1 pick is the Mikko Electric Spin Bathroom Power Scrubber. The Mikko Electric Spin Washroom Power Scrubber includes a powerful integrated 20-watt motor, quickly managing build-up dust and grime. The rechargeable battery also obtains more than an HR of constant use out of a solitary fee, helping to make this the best ceramic tile scrubber we attempted. We also liked that this electrical spin scrubber ships with a triad of brushes that go to different usage scenarios and that each brush head can easily be screwed on or off in seconds. The spin scrubber's 3 interchangeable brush heads consist of the rounded brush that is optimal for sinks or tubs, the flat brush excellent for floors and ceramic tiles, as well as the spin scrubber. S-pointed brush/cleaning brush helpful for window sills, edges, as well as tight locations. This electrical scrubber's water-resistant design makes it resistant to spraying water, indicating it can be utilized under damp problems like in a pool. Though the three consisted of brush heads appropriate for large cleansing jobs, we discovered the corner item accessory to be a little bit soft for our taste, so you may struggle a bit getting into the kinds of nooks and crannies typically discovered on faucets. If you want to cleanse your mirror, look at the best glass cleaner for the job. You intend to stand in front of the clean mirror when applying your best beard dye to your mustache or short/long beard. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.